everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So as you can see, I did get 2 boxes of this product, but let's go ahead and see what my kids think about it.
Oh, these guys are
Give me
Mom,
the
they're
plastic.
cute.
I know, look.
They have cute faces.
Workers.
They're so cute. Adorable. It's Mama's.
Do. It's the best. You got more.
Mom, I need this.
It doesn't go on the back. That's the back of the train.
No, look. Look what it
You
says.
use this.
Look what it says.
This dude.
Mom, I bet you 100%.
No! He's hanging. Boop, 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 boop.
Let me take it. Bye-bye. Ah! Wait, let's see if we can take the house.
No.
That'd be cool.
Okay, so this is my son and my daughter, and you can see we are building trains and buses and buildings. You guys having fun with it?
Uh-huh.
That's really fun. I think this is probably one of the coolest ones I've ever seen because it's like instruction and it just has all these different little things. It's pretty fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
You like this one the most? It's pretty
I'm
cool.
making a doorway. This is going to be the door.
Let's go. Boop.
Now it's going on the train. Okay. Where's my holder? Hey, I need a holder at least. Oh, the guy! Corey, there's someone getting hurt.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.